Hi everyone. So let me tell you a method of traveling in which you do not have to spend a single penny. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home, and you save yourself from the endless hassle of packing, unpacking, and repacking. So yes, if you're a bibliophile, you got me right. I am talking about traveling through the words, traveling to different worlds through the words. And if the words are written by the author who has spent his or her childhood in that place, then I think this makes the experience more immersive. So the book I'm going to talk about today might have a hidden treasure there. So, uh, brace yourselves for the mystery of it all. The book I'm going to talk about today is this Bhujang Shetty and the Lost Treasure of Basrur. So let me tell you about Basrur first because I am fascinated by this little town in the coastal areas of Karnataka. It is described so beautifully by the author, like in the gleaming sunlight, in the shimmering moonlight. I think that it's one of the second best ways to travel because the best will always be to be there, to be present in that place. The second best way is to travel through the eyes of a person who has grown up loving that place. So I think the author Gautam V. Kadur has done a marvelous job in highlighting his this town of Basrur, which was in 16th century ruled by Portuguese. I think its name during that time was Barcelona. But I think in 1665, Shivaji raided this town and took a hold of this town. Now, amidst this chaos, there was a person who had a lot of gold and he had hidden that treasure somewhere. So now, when Pujang Shetty's friend was in need to find this treasure, he jumps in to help his friend. Although he was just a juice seller, but he had always envisioned himself as a detective, and he had proven himself to be one, and in fact, a great one. So it's a story about friendship. It's a story about treasure hunting. Yes, who knows? There might still be a treasure lying there, lurking there in this small town of Basru. So it's comical. It's almost filmy. I was feeling like I'm watching a movie while reading this book. So do give this book a try. It will not let you down. And I think Basrur is a place I would love to visit someday. So bye guys. Have a happy reading and give this book a try.